and this says ViewFinder Calibration. I'll press OK. And what that has done is the laser measure has illuminated a red laser spot. I've put a black tape here so that we can see the spot, and also so that I can align and calibrate the optical camera view so that the cursor for the optical camera is aligned to that red laser spot. So you can see that the red laser spot is here and the cursor for the optical camera is here. So I need to bring this cursor downwards towards the red laser spot. And to do that, I use the left, right and up down arrow keys. Okay, I think that's perfectly aligned now. To accept the change I've done, there's a tick mark for the left soft key. I'll click on that. Viewfinder calibration is completed. I really like it. I think it's very useful. I was surprised though that with this particular model, Bosch did not supply a lanyard and said that that was an accessory that had to be bought. I do hope you found this video useful and interesting. Do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more and help the channel grow. Thank you so much.